So how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna do an HID to LED conversion on my BMW 128i. Because I have problem with the headlight sometimes when I'm driving, the headlight is flickering. So that's a good indication that the HID bulb will be burned out soon. So since I'm gonna be replacing the bulb anyway, I was thinking to switch to LED. You know what? If you haven't burnt HID bulb, you can just change the HID bulb again. But since I'm doing the switch to LED, I want to explain you the difference why I'm switching to the LED bulb. So while I'm doing the installation, I'm going to tell you the difference between the two. So guys, let's get started. Okay, so first I want to show you how the HID bulb look like. As you can see, this is what the HID bulb looks like. It's a whitish color. Same thing on the other side. So we're gonna see the difference if we change to LED, if we're gonna have a change in color. But before I remove the bulb, I just want to show you guys what the HID bulb looks like. So now we're gonna change to the LED and we're gonna see if there's any difference in the color. But the output for sure is gonna be a lot brighter from the LED bulb. So to access the bulb, it's just right here. But if you don't have the intake, usually you have an air box here. You can remove the air box and access the bulb, or you can go underneath and through the fender liner. You have to remove the wheel. But since I have easy access here because of my intake, I can just remove the air filter, and then I have full access to the back casing of the headlight. Then we can access the bulb. So now I'm gonna remove the air filter, and we're gonna access the HID bulb inside. Since you're just changing the bulb, you don't need to disconnect the battery. You can just unplug it here. Unplug the headlight here. So you press the two sides, squeeze it, then wiggle it out, and that's it. And then you have two clips here, one on each side. Just pop out the clip. Then you can remove the cover. So now your HID bulb is here. This is the HID bulb. So to remove the HID bulb, well, you have to twist the ring. Then you can pull out the bulb. Then unplug it. That's it. So this is your HID bulb. So this is the ring that you have to twist. You have to twist to counterclockwise to release the HID bulb from the socket. So this you can turn clockwise, counterclockwise. So this is the HID bulb. So HID stands for high intensity discharge. So the HID bulb is brighter than the halogen. So in this glass casing, there's a gas inside this casing, and it's filled with the xenon gas and mineral salt. So this gas needs to be ignited to light up the bulb. So it requires about 20,000 plus voltage to ignite that, and then it creates the light output. But to do that, you need a ballast. So all HID bulb needs a ballast to make it work. Otherwise, it's not gonna work because it runs on AC voltage and it needs about 20,000 plus voltage to make it light up. But the problem with this, the lifespan is not that long. So HID bulbs are good for at least 15,000 hours. And there's two types of HID bulb. The standard one, which is this one, or you have the bi-xenon one. So the standard HID is good for either high beam or low beam, depends on the application. But the bi-xenon HID bulbs are good for high beam and low beam in the same bulb. So one of the problem with the HID bulb is through time, when it gets older, the light outputs on this bulb gets dimmer. So it doesn't give you the same brightness like before. So it degrades the lumens output. So that is the HID bulb. So the LED bulb, it's a plug and play because this is a conversion kit. So conversion kit means it can adapt to the ballast of the HID, which produces 20,000 plus voltage. So this will adapt to that, and it also has a CAN bus inside. So the CAN bus inside eliminates the error on your dashboard when you put this in your headlight. It also has a high-speed cooling fan because of the heat it generates. So it's getting cooled down. By doing that, so this bulb lasts about 50,000 hours. And it has 6500 K color temperature. So that means it's a white light with a hint of blue on it. So just a little bit of hint of blue on it. And it's also IP68 rated, so it can be wet, with no problem. A splash of water will not hurt this bulb. So that's why I like the LED, because it's more durable. It lasts longer. 50,000 hours of lifespan is a lot better than the 15 from the HID bulb. So that's why I've decided to go with the LED. And I like also the 6500K color temperature. So that's one of the reasons why I'm switching to LED. So now it's time to install the LED light bulb. First I'm gonna plug it in. Then I'm gonna slip it inside. Push it. So once you slip it inside, you push it in, and then you turn and twist again to clockwise. So now it's locked in place. So before I close the enclosure, I just want to make sure it's working properly. So I'm gonna plug back the connector, and then we're gonna do a test. So wow, as you can see now, the LED on this side, HID on the other side. So as you can see through the camera, that the LED is a lot brighter. So that's a difference. I like it. I like the output of the LED. It's more brighter, it's more crisp. So it's gonna give you a better lighting when you drive at night. So now it's time to do the other side also and install the LED on that side. So now both lights are LED. As you can see, it's nice and bright. It's a lot better for sure than the HID. So I really like the result on this. I like it a lot. So I really like the light output on this LEDs. Oh my god. It's nice and clear. I see more detail on the road now. Yeah, I can tell that the HID is losing its brightness because it's getting old. With this brand new LED, it's a lot brighter. You see more details on the road. And I don't have that flickering anymore. Usually you're gonna see some flickering on the road. Nice and bright. Yeah, the output on this LED is really stronger than the HID for sure. It's night and day compared to the old HID. Very clear. So I'm really happy with this conversion. There's no doubt that this LED is a lot better than before. So I'm happy about it. So guys, that's how you convert your HID light on your BMW to LED. So you can convert any car with LED. You just have to find the same bulb type in LED format for your car. So you can also convert your car to LED. So guys, that's it for the video. So please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Like a drug that I just can't deny, giving me the best time.